What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your SOLO-CAST PRO USB condenser microphone. This mic is perfect for any live streams, USB conferences or classes, recording setups, and much more. So as you can see, it comes with the microphone itself, a shock mount to hold the microphone, a USB cable, a pop filter for the microphone, and a mic stand for the microphone with the round base. So the first thing we can do is set up the mic stand. To do that, we'll just take the rod of the mic stand and screw that onto the round base. Then we can attach the shock mount by screwing it onto the top of the stand. Once we have it on the stand, you'll notice this knob here on the side that we can use to adjust its angle. Next, we can take the microphone and screw that onto the shock mount to hold it in place. Next, we can put on our pop filter by just pushing it onto the mic like so. This will help with all the plosive sounds picked up by the microphone, like the P, Ks, Ts, etc. Then finally, we can take the included USB cable, take the USB-B end and plug that into the microphone on the bottom. Then we can take the USB-A end and plug that into any laptop or computer. So now we're all set to use the SOLO-CAST PRO with any laptop or computer. Let me grab one right now to show you that setup. Alright, so here I have my laptop with my DAW open that I'm going to be using with my SOLO-CAST PRO. Like I mentioned before, I can take my USB-A end and plug it into any available USB-A port on my computer. So whether you're using the microphone for recording or video chatting, you're just going to want to be sure to go into the sound settings and switch the input device to SOLO-CAST PRO USB microphone. You can also do this in your DAW by going into the sound preferences and switching the input device to SOLO-CAST PRO USB microphone. So let's talk a little bit more about the microphone itself and all of its features. Starting with this gain knob here, this is what you're going to want to use to adjust the input level of the microphone. The SOLO-CAST PRO also gives us the ability to plug in our headphones. So I can just take my headphones, plug it right into the microphone, and adjust the level using the headphones knob here. And when we use the knob, you can also notice that the volume will change on the computer itself. Now when you're using the headphones with the microphone, you're just going to want to be sure to go into the sound settings and switch the output device to SOLO-CAST PRO USB microphone. And now finally, we can use this mute button here on top of the microphone to cut the sound off completely. You'll know it's activated when the light in the middle turns red. So if we're using the microphone with our DAW, we'll just want to be sure to record enable our tracks. So all we have to do now is hit record. Check 1, 2, this is Perry from Rockville testing out my SOLO-CAST PRO USB condenser microphone. So now if we're using the microphone with any video conference app like Skype or Zoom, you'll just want to be sure to switch the input and output to SOLO-CAST PRO USB condenser microphone, or else you won't be able to hear anything coming from the microphone or get your voice picked up at all. So I hope to show you guys how easy it is to set up your SOLO-CAST PRO USB condenser microphone. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Perry from Rockville, and I'll see you next time.